In this video, I'm going to try DIY fake nails and heart-shaped nail art for the first time. Over the course of the video, you can see the problems you would face if you do your nails on your own. So if you want to know my experience doing it for the first time, keep on watching. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's get into the video. For this, I bought the fake nails on Amazon. The package came with a nail glue and a filer. That made my life easy. It came in different sizes. I had to choose mine by trying each of them on all my fingers. These nails turned out to be small. I didn't expect them to be, but it's okay, I guess. So if you're gonna buy fake nails online, make sure to check the size. After that, the process seemed pretty straightforward. Steps were mentioned on the packaging. It said, apply glue to the nail. It didn't say which nail, the fake nail or my real nail. I went ahead and applied the glue onto my real nail. After that, I pressed on the fake nail and held it firmly for a few seconds.
And while doing this, pull your skin down like this a little so that it doesn't get glued on the sides. And if the glue gets on your skin, you can use a cuticle remover or something which has a sharp tip like this to get it off your skin.
In a lot of other videos, no one talked about glue getting on your skin. Maybe it's obvious and that's why no one talked about it, but it's a huge pain.
I know these are not really long, but I like them this way. Long nails can be a hindrance to your daily life.
Once I'm done with the fake nails, I painted them. That's when the trouble started. Painting seemed really easy at first, and things changed by the time I got to the heart-shaped nail art.
After painting my nails, I realized the difficult part is drawing a heart on them without using any tools. In all these videos, they make it look so easy, and when you do it on your own, you realize it's not easy. Of course, it's not super difficult or it's not impossible to do it, but it's definitely not easy. Let me show you how I did it on these two fingers. First, I started with putting two dots. And then another one. And then, oh god, then just join them artistically. Oh my god. Okay, I need to refine the edges a little to make it look like a heart. Don't let them dry. You will need to do all this before the thing dries. Oh god. Oh boy. This is the best I could do. I think I need to make this a little more curvy. No. No way. I repainted that finger because it did a really bad job of drawing the heart on it. I'll try it again. After failing miserably on camera, I tried doing these two fingers off camera, and believe it or not, but it seemed a little simple off camera. Sometimes it's difficult to film and also do it at the same time. Maybe that was the issue. And I'm not gonna give up. I'll again try this finger on camera. Let's see how this goes. Starting with two dots again. I see this going bad already. And oh boy. Oh boy, I got it. Oh my god, it's a little off center, but I think it still works. Oh my god, it feels like a huge accomplishment. Oh my god. This dude took so long to do it. Oh my god, this finger has been through a lot. You can see the line here in the center. It'll be fine once I put on the top coat, so I didn't bother much about that line. I'll wait for some time for this to dry and then I'll apply my top coat.
So this is how my nails look in the end. I feel great actually. The whole process wasn't too bad. I know I had some issues, but it's worth it. I can save a ton of money and I'll be doing this for a really long time. All my life. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll link the details in the description. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.